What's up everyone, I'm Roxy and today is day 19 of my 30 days to get your life together productivity series. If you're new to my channel and have no idea what I'm talking about, oh, this hair is out. I will leave in the series playlist down below so you can check out the previous challenges and see what they're about. But basically every single day for the month of June, I'll be posting a new productivity challenge to help you get your life together. So it's June, which means half of the year has gone by already, and we definitely don't want the rest of 2019 to fly past us without feeling as if we did something. So before I share with you today's productivity challenge, be sure you follow me on Instagram. It is my only social media. I love talking to you guys there. I love hearing about how your productivity challenge is going and how you're feeling and all that fun stuff. It just makes me so excited. So in today's video, the productivity tip is to do an email decluttering. So I know a few days ago we did a digital declutter and a digital detox. But today we're gonna go into our emails, so the Gmail, the Outlook, the Live, the Yahoo, whatever email you have, and you're gonna go through it and unsubscribe from all that junk mail and all those weird subscriptions that you have in your emails. I myself am really excited to do this because I have no idea how I accumulate so much junk emails and subscribe to so many random things. It literally blows my mind, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. So you're gonna go through and unsubscribe and trash your junk and your deleted and your spam and all that crazy stuff. And another thing that you're gonna do that I strongly recommend is creating folders in your emails. I never used to do this before. Since I've started my own brand, it makes so much sense to file all of your emails under specific folders so you'll know exactly where they go and they won't stay in your primary inbox. They will be in subfolders. So for instance, any collabs that I do, I will always file my collabs inside my collab folder. If I have to sponsor anything, it will go into my sponsorships folder. If I have to actually work on something, I actually have a folder called to work on, and categorizing my email makes my life so much easier because I can just go quickly into the folder without having to skim through my entire inbox. Obviously you can easily search for it, but instead of keeping it in your main inbox and having it lost between so many other emails, it makes so much sense to categorize it into folders. And of course, by removing all of that junk and unsubscribing from all those weird emails, it will make your life hella easier. So comment down below and let me know how your email decluttering went. How many things did you unsubscribe for? Let me know. I will also let you know down below because I'm doing this with you. So if you enjoy this challenge, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. It means so much to me and it supports my channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I have so much amazing content planned for you. So yes, girl, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow for my next productivity challenge. Bye!